In our last episode, we talked about how one can prepare a speech, and we also talked about some of the points to be kept in mind while preparing a public speech. And for a better understanding of this video, make sure you should have watched all the previous uploaded videos of this series. And if you want to have in-depth knowledge, then you can enroll yourself in the training program of Master the Art of Public Speaking, and you can visit www.tegonity.com. Well, the topic of our today's video is to identify the different methods of speech delivery. Basically, there are 4 different modes of speech delivery through which you can deliver a speech or your presentation. While among all the 3 different methods or the different 4 methods of delivery patterns, you can select the right one according to your audience and how formally you want to keep your presentation, whether it could be too much formal or it can be informal. Your audience can be of different age groups. They may be highly trained professionals, a group of trainees, college or school students, or even citizens. And also, it depends on different businesses and other industries. So just identify who your audience is, or based on that, you can choose the way of delivering your speech. There are some professionals where you have to follow somewhat formal or informal approach, such as a teacher who guides her students or their students to understand what is written in the chapter and how they are understood in society. In such an approach, there is a mix of formal and informal communication. When an actor acts, he follows the script or the director. That is completely formal. And when we talk about an health educator, they usually talk in a completely informal manner. And such conversations are mostly one-to-one, as you can see. You might have seen a mediator on stage when they are introducing or inviting someone on stage, how they introduce them in a complete formal way. When going a little informal, there can change the things completely. While in training, when the specialist is going to train their trainees, it is important for them to treat their trainees in a complete formal way. And if we can take an example of a news anchor, then they are generally formal, and such formality is encountered under manuscript delivery method, where you must read your presentation to your audience word to word while delivering the news. But sometimes they also use impromptu speech, means informal style. They opt this impromptu style when they are hosting an TV interview. And that is how you will also know what speech style will be best for your speech according to your audience. Well, in general, people usually use the 2 methods that are formal and informal in combination of them, or even you can use among the 4 different methods, which we will talk about in our next coming episodes. So stay tuned with us, because in our next episode, we will talk about the impromptu speech delivery method. So this is Divya from Tegonity Academy. To get notified for the next uploaded video, do subscribe the channel, and with this, press the bell icon because we don't charge anything for that. See you soon. Till then, goodbye. Take care.